Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, here to do an unboxing of two Diamond Dotz. I showed my stash recently of Diamond Dotz canvases. Diamond Dotz is a product you can find online and in most Walmart stores. My Walmart does not always carry them, but that's typically where you can find them. And most of them are partials, which means not the whole canvas gets diamond painted. So you will only be applying drills to the image, not really any background. Diamond Dotz does have full canvases that you can place drills on the entire project, and most of their smaller projects that you find in Walmart are under 10,000 drills, most of them. There are some that have 11, and almost all of them on their boxes state how many drills are and colors are on each product and the sizes. So I have two canvases that I was asked to unbox. So let us see which ones they are. Which ones are they? Let's take a look. Okay, now that I hit the right button. Okay, this first one is called Dream Catcher. So I am going to unbox this so I can show it to you. Okay, hold on. All right. Oh, this has special drills in it, guys. Wow. You get your regular toolkit. Ooh, I don't know if you can see those, but let's take a look at these colors. There's a pink, a green, a light blue, another pink. Ooh, pretty lavender. Two different shades. Three. Wow. Oh my. Here's an AB. Wow. Now I want to do this one, guys. Well, you know how I am. I want to do them all. I just want to unbox them all. And this is a whole strip of special drills. Look at that. Wow. 3 different sizes of the gold. Wow. So we have an AB and then gems, crystals. Oh my, I had no idea. That's like Love My Family did a wolf by Diamond Dotz, and I didn't like it. It didn't look very appealing to me. But when she got it done, it had crystals and it had an AB. It was just beautiful. So yes, this is a partial. Okay. This is a partial. It has 26 different colors, including the gems. It has 4,931 drills. So it's not a big project. Not at all. I mean, and here's your instructions written in every language, pretty much. Whoa, so this is kind of long. Okay, very soft canvas. So yes, you don't diamond paint the background, but you do the actual dream catcher. And you can see where the special drills are going to be. They're going to be all in here on the top of the feathers. Wow, it's going to be pretty. And we have the AB is going to be scattered all around in the feathers. There's none in the ring. The ring has got like, it's a peach color that's going to go in here. And then you got your special drills. All those special crystals right here are going to go all in here. Wow. So this is, the design is 9.8 inches by 16.5. The fabric size is 13 inch by 19.7. So it's long and narrow. But it is going to be pretty. Look at this. So, and these bags, they're labeled on this side to what number. So number 22, which is this one, is going to be placed here. And then the next one is going to be placed, where are they? Where are they going to be placed? Oh, there's teeny tiny spots right here. 2 right there. And then the third crystal right here and here. And the fourth one here and here. And scattered up in here. And the fifth here. The really big ones. These really big ones, they're going to go in here. And 4, the other ones in here. So these 2 are going to be next to each other in the ring here. Wow. Super nice. And again, it is a partial, so you don't diamond paint any of the background, just the dream catcher. Soft colors, pretty. So, pretty drills, pretty drills. Okay, I'm going to try. Then we're going to move the tray over there. Okay. Now we're going to fold it up. And the canvas is really soft, guys. I mean, you can almost see the texture. It's soft. It's soft. Okay. Let me get that back in there. Put that in there, seal it back up, and let us get to the second one. So this one was Dream Catcher. And the second one is called Sweetie Cherie. Isn't it pretty? This one is 13.8 inches by 10.6 inches. Fabric is 16.9 inches by 13.8 inches. It has 17 colors, and it is 9,119 drills. Here they are. Let's see, does it have any special drills? Again, really soft canvas. And you can tell on the side if it has. It has one AB, number 5007. Oh, look how pretty. And again, you don't do the outside, just the puppy. Just the puppy. Well, that's good. Okay, let's see if we can find that AB. So the 5,000 number in Diamond Dotz are ABs. Let's put those there so it'll hold it down. Ooh, it's a white AB. Yep, it's the white one. And Diamond Dotz has nice ABs. And these are all browns. And the AB, there is some black, probably around the dog's nose and the eyes. But the ABs are the square, and they're going to go in his nose, in his eyes, and it's going to go in his fur around here. Pretty. So yeah, you do have quite a bit of ABs in the puppies. Coming up from the nose and going around is where your ABs are going to go. Super pretty. This is going to shine really nicely. It's going to be a nice one. Yep. Oh, so pretty. Oh, guys, I misspoke. The diagonal line is the AB, and that's here and here, and still around the perimeter of the dog's face, the ears, the top of the head, and the bottom. There's no ABs in the nose or the eyes of the dog, just the bottom and the ears and kind of the very top of the head. Still going to be a pretty puppy when it's done. Pretty color palette. I like it. 9,000 drills for this guy. This way you can see about how big it is. Here's my sign. See? I always like to see something next to the canvas. It kind of gives me an idea of how big it is. So, yeah, this puppy is going to come out nice. I might do this for claws and paws next year. I don't know. I might do it before. You know, no matter which canvas, the canvases always come out nice. Especially the licensed art ones. You're not going to be disappointed. They will come out nice. So, you can never really tell by looking at the canvas. I've always said that. And you can't really tell by looking at the box. You have to do them. If it's an image you like, get it and put it together. It will be very nice. It'll be worth your while, I promise. So here is Dreamcatcher. and Sweetie Cherie. And they are both exclusive designs made for Walmart, is the way I understand it. And it came with 3 special dotting tools, which are just the white tips. Most of them are thicker, and they do work well with round canvases, and these are both round. The thicker tips do not work so well with squares, because squares are very close fitting on the canvas, and when you put that thicker multi-placer down there, it just pushes the other drills aside. So that is my take on those. All right, that's what I have for you today, and you must be kind to everyone you meet.